It was a great day on the City and Central Railway, like always. Wally was pulling his coaches like that, like he always does. Psh, psh, sheep, sheep. Wally went, "Hey, what's with the problem here?" He went. He he found a distraction on the junction. Hmm. Gah! What is that noise? He went. It was a sting, ringing spell sound. It came from the new GNR Stirling engine. The railway guide. The Mr. Conductor introduced her to Wally. "Wally, this is Lily," he went. "How you must agree gave her your undivided attention. He is pretty shy, though, I must admit," he went. "God, I can't believe that," he went. "But where did she come from?" She she is of Sodor origin, but we brought her here." He went. "Well, wait, she's of Subject origin? Yeah, that means she went. She was his formerly used to the NWR," the conductor remarked. "Ugh, I guess that shows in this remark," he went. "Gosh, what is that?" And Lily was a Stirling engine. She had a broken dome at she had a broken faceplate at the moment, and she also had a broken cap. He had a very broken cap. She was about to be repaired because the NWRs sent her for scrap. Ugh, I can't believe they gave her away. They went. Oh, the horror. All the engines remained in silence. "Oh, come on. You didn't know that was very scary, right?" The Mr. Conductor wanted to say something, but he couldn't because he was too stunned because some passenger just yelled something weird. Come on! Just why? You caused confusion and delay today," he went. The teapot. Why the teapot works? The teapot works with a very good area for repairs. The new Ginty that was bought 3 weeks ago, Terry, was sent there because he was sick. "Lily?" the Mr. Conductor replied. "You are going to the teapot works for a new repair. They're going to fix your cab, and you'll have a nice shiny dome," she promised. "Really?" Willie went. "Yes," the Mr. Conductor said as he cleared his throat. Wally takes a deep breath. "This is going to be the worst day of my life," he mumbled. "Hey, what did you just say?" Mr. Conductor heard what he said. "No one should ever be like that." She knows. "Yeah, I know. I'll be a very great engine whenever I'm fixed." Willie bragged. "No one cares. No one cares, actually. No one cares. Please, just spare me my life. But please, just stop talking. Stop talking. Please, just stop talking. Just stop talking." He went. Remark. The coaches went. Stop. What are you trying to make noise? Stop trying to make noise. Anyways, you think that was funny? What? The coaches were very impatient. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up with your nonsense. They were angry. The passengers started shouting. One passenger had made a very questionable remark. And then he lashed angrily. Talk about some impatient person. Dum 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 Mr. Controller was whistling that tune, a memorable tune. As soon as Wally went back to his normal coaching duty, to his normal shunting duties. After this, he would go down for a lie down. Nothing like some good covering rest, he went. You did very well today, Wally, the fireman said, sarcastically. Yeah, true. Stop, please. Anyways, today, I'll try to take you out for another day. He went. Oh, I get it. Well, we're on the story as it develops, right?